Hey, what's up? Hello again. I have just received my RC truck, my RC off-road vehicle. The sealer has said that will drive about 60 km/h. So let's see what we have here, how we can unboxing. So it is good packed. It is a 1 to 12 scale. So let me see now what we have here. So we have the car, the big tires. Whoa, they are huge. So they don't have lights. In the back, again without lights. It is a cheap model from China. I have paid for about 60 euros for this, but I hope that will drive with 60 km/h like how the sealer said. So here we have instructions. Here we have the RC controller. So now let's see what we have here. So we have the screw. We have the charger. And then we have the steering wheel, I think. We have just mount here. Yes. So we have to unscrew this bolt so we can to put the battery on the radio controller. So we need 3 batteries, AA. And I think the battery for the car is already here. Yes, the battery for the car is already here. So we have just to connect it. So we can make a short test. Okay. I don't know it has a power, but I will try. It has a good suspension. I will bring the battery for the controller. So we have the battery for the controller. So it seems that it has no power. Oh, okay, we have power. It is not the best version, but for about 50-60 euros, I think for a child is a good present. I think the battery is not so, it's not momentan so powerful, so I will just let charging, and then I will make a test in off-road outside, so keep in touch. It is pretty powerful. So until next time, I will let the battery charging, and then I will make again a video outside to test him the off-road capabilities. And okay, until next time, bye.